What's going on, guys? Happy Wakanda Day. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should listen to today. Today, we can officially say we're on a 7-day or 1 week bull run. And it's been probably since the beginning of the year, we haven't been able to say that. So it's nice to say it's been a 1 week bull run officially today. We'll see if that continues throughout the next couple weeks. My prediction again is that by March, towards mid-March, end of March, towards April, we'll actually start seeing us inch towards all-time highs again. Of course, we'll see a correction again after that, but nevertheless, that's when I expect the market to really take off. Right now, it's just been a slow uptick, but it's a good thing for people who reinvested at the market lows. A couple pieces of news coming out today. Ripple is being added to a few exchanges today, and also some other news that came out yesterday is that XRP is being tested with Western Union. So it's just another big organizations that's added to the list of organizations that will be possibly using XRP, but at least they're at the testing phase. So you would expect maybe by this summer, maybe even early as this spring, or at least at the latest this fall, XRP may be used as a full rollout within Western Union, MoneyGram, and so many payment services and banking services that are out there. So big news and great news for XRP holders. Just know that if these tests go well, which I expect them to, certainly, and that's not based on some insider information, it's just based on the fact that they seem to know what they're doing based on their white paper and based on what the coin can do in terms of speed and the volume, and looking at the pricing and how the volatility doesn't move it as much. I think that's a great reason to be optimistic about the adaptation of XRP into the regular market when it comes to payment service companies like Western Union and MoneyGram and such forth. But also, just keep in mind, again, this coin is still relatively low in terms of the cost, but that doesn't mean that it's low value, because if you look at the market value, it's actually pretty high, probably number 2 now, or at least inching back up to the number 2 spot past Ethereum. So it is cheap to purchase, being at $1 and let's say 15 or 16 cents right now, but I still don't expect this coin to, let's say, go to $100 very soon or anything like that. I mean, that would be great for holders, but I just don't expect that to happen. Also, NEM is holding their conference today, in which they're announcing that they're going to expand their network into Latin America. So that's going to be good for XEM holders. Again, that's the main coin for the NEM. So for those people who are interested in that, know that they're expanding their network so that they can, you know, deal with more consumers and open up business across the world instead of being limited in the way that they are. Also, as we've been talking about over the past few days, Bitcoin is continuing to expand its reach, being added to a couple more exchanges, and Bitcoin Cash is also expanding its range. And we also have been talking about Litecoin. Litecoin is still outperforming the market, still doing very well, leading up to the hard fork on the 18th. Again, the hard fork on the 18th. Most people, when it comes to that strategy, some people will sell right before the 18th because the hype will be at a maximum. Some people will wait until maybe a couple days after, because you'll see a sell-off, because of course the reward of having coins on the 18th is supposedly that you'll receive free Litecoin Cash coins, which are going to be produced from the hard fork. But that may not happen. It's something that has been promised, but again, being that we are in a world that's not highly regulated, if that didn't happen, what would you do? You're going to sue them? No, you can't do much about it. So keep in mind that we hope it happens, and it's likely their reputation is on the line in terms of Litecoin Cash. So we do hope that happen. But if you do plan on obtaining those coins, make sure that your coins, your Litecoin, can be seen, meaning have your Litecoins on exchanges those days. So when the exchanges add these coins, it's easier for you to get your coins in terms of your Litecoin Cash that you should be getting free. And the ratio again is 10 Litecoin Cash coins, Litecoin Cash coin, for every 1 Litecoin. Again, 10 Litecoin Cash coins for every 1 Litecoin. And we don't know what value they're going to come out at, but we'll see. I mean, time will tell. Again, it's still a good trading day, still a good time to be in the market. It's on the up. We are seeing, of course, a lot of people that got quiet when the market was down start to talk again about being an expert. But you know, here we've been here throughout the ups and downs because we watch the market every day. Just pay attention to that, and know that, again, subscribe to this channel because I do have some more big news coming out in the next coming days. I can't reveal it quite yet, but it is going to be something that we're doing for the month of March that's really going to be exciting and something that you're going to want to participate in. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you pay attention to the channel, and I appreciate your love and your support, and I hope to hear from you soon, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Happy trading.